So I just got this really cool cat toy and I'm excited to see how it works. And it's packed really well. It's got a fun feather. I don't want to break anything here, so I'm just gonna. Oh, I was making it more difficult. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's got a really groovy remote control that you can play with. This is fun for the cat and the kids. Oh my gosh, my grandson's gonna love this. How cute is this? How adorable. Oh my gosh. It is super cute. Look at that. So what's really neat about this is that the front wheel design, it rotates 360 degrees. So it avoids the car being flipped over. And it's like a little mouse car. Isn't that adorable? It's got these little wheels. Isn't this super cute? And it's super easy to operate. It's got 2-button remote control on the remote. And this little fur tail that's really fun for your animals. It keeps your pet's attention. My cat is going to go nuts, and my grandson's going to go nuts over this too. It's super fun. Cute.